everyone, welcome back to Los Angeles English, where learning English feels natural and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It's great to be back with you.
It's great to see you too, John. How are you today?
I'm doing really well, thank you. I had a quiet weekend, lots of coffee, and zero alarms.
Nice. I love weekends like that. I'm feeling good too. Actually, pretty excited about today's topic.
Oh, what are we talking about today?
A problem that almost every English learner talks about.
Let me guess. I can understand English, but I can't speak it.
Exactly. That's the one.
Yes, I hear that all the time. People say, I watch movies, I listen to podcasts, I understand everything. But when I try to talk, I freeze.
Right. The words just disappear. You know the English, but it feels like your mouth forgot how to use it.
So true. But don't worry, today we'll share some clear, practical tips to help you unlock your speaking confidence.
Yes, this episode is going to help you move from understanding to actually speaking. Switch to English mode.
All right, what's the next key?
Create your English mode.
English mode? Like switching on a superhero button?
Exactly. It's a time in your day when you think, speak, and react only in English, even if you're alone.
That's tough. My brain always goes back to my native language.
That's normal. Start by talking to yourself.
To myself? I'll look like a crazy person.
You can do it when you're alone. Narrate your day. For example, I'm making coffee. I need a spoon. Where's the sugar?
Okay, I can try that. Let's see. I'm sitting in the studio. I'm talking to Sarah. I feel awake.
That's it. It feels silly, but it's powerful because you're forcing your brain to find the words in real time.
Makes sense. It's like training for spontaneous speaking.
Exactly. Just 5 or 10 minutes a day. That's your English mode. Part 3. Don't learn words, learn phrases.
Okay, I'm shadowing, I'm talking to myself, but what if I get stuck because I don't know the right word?
Then it's time for tip number 3. Stop memorizing single words.
Wait, what? Stop learning new words?
No. Stop learning isolated words like book, table, run. Instead, learn chunks, short phrases you can use right away.
Chunks?
Yes! Think of them as ready-to-go expressions. For example, instead of just good, learn, that sounds good. Instead of mean, learn, you know what I mean?
Ah, I get it. Those phrases make conversations flow.
Exactly. You don't have to build the sentence from zero. The grammar is already built in.
So chunks are like pre-made tools for real speech.
Exactly. They save time and help you sound fluent faster. Tip: speak every single day.
Every day? That's hard. I'm busy.
It doesn't have to be long. Even 5 minutes is enough.
So 5 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week?
Yes, consistency beats intensity. Speaking is a muscle. If you don't use it, it weakens.
Fair point. But who do I talk to if I don't have anyone around who speaks English?
Easy. Talk to your phone.
My phone doesn't listen.
Use the voice recorder app. Talk about your day, then listen back.
Ugh, I hate my recorded voice.
Everyone does. But listening to yourself helps you catch pronunciation problems and track your progress. It's one of the best free teachers you have. Part 5. Practice with role play.
Okay, I'll try recording myself. What's next?
Role play.
Like acting?
Exactly. Pretend you're in real-life situations, ordering food, checking in at an airport, talking to a friend.
I can play both people?
Yes, let's try one.
All right. Good evening, sir. Welcome to our restaurant. What would you like to order?
I'll have a veggie pizza and a glass of water, please.
Okay, that's actually fun.
It's fun and effective. It teaches your brain to react in English so you don't freeze in real conversations. Make friends with mistakes.
Speaking of freezing, the biggest fear most learners have is making mistakes.
Oh, yes, the big scary monster, fear of mistakes.
I know that monster well. What if my grammar's wrong? What if people laugh?
Everyone feels that way. But here's a secret. Mistakes are your teachers.
Teachers?
Yes, every mistake shows you what to improve. It means you're trying, and that's brave.
So mistakes are proof of courage.
Exactly. You can't learn to speak perfectly before speaking. Fluency comes after the mistakes, not before.
That's a great way to think about it. Communication, not perfection.
Exactly. If people understand you, that's success. Part 7. Train your response speed.
So we've shadowed, talked to ourselves, learned chunks, practiced daily, recorded our voice, done role plays, and made friends with mistakes. What's left?
One last thing, practice responding.
Responding?
Yes, speaking is about reaction. You listen, you answer. You don't have time to translate.
How can I practice that?
Try speaking with an AI chatbot or with a friend who's learning English too. Ask and answer quick questions. The goal is to train your brain to reply fast.
That makes sense. It's like building reflexes.
Exactly. Active listening, active speaking, active responding. That's the full circle. Wrap up.
Wow, Sarah, this episode was packed with good stuff. Let's do a quick recap for everyone.
Sure.
Tip 1, practice shadowing. Listen and repeat.
Tip 2, create your English mode. Think in English.
Tip 3, learn phrases, not single words.
Tip 4, speak every day, even just for 5 minutes.
Tip 5, record your voice and listen back.
Tip 6, do role plays to prepare for real life.
Tip 7, make friends with mistakes.
Tip 8, practice responding quickly.
Perfect summary.
Thank you, Sarah. These are easy to follow, and they actually work.
They do. Because the English is already in your head. You just need to unlock it.
Beautifully said.
And before we go, a quick favor. If you found this episode helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Los Angeles English so you never miss a new episode.
And share it with a friend who feels stuck. Let's help more learners find their English voice.
Yes, and we want to hear from you. Which tip will you try first? Shadowing, talking to yourself, recording your voice?
Leave your answer in the comments. We love reading what you all share.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, fluency begins when you start speaking.
That's right. Speak every day, even if it's not perfect. That's how you grow.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye for now.